Hi there. In the last video, I would have told you how the cursor changes when it is moved in different windows. That cursor is called the mouse cursor. There's another cursor that is called the text cursor. This cursor when it is placed, it is affected by input from the keyboard. So the mouse cursor can place the text cursor at different location in the working area. So this is the working area, and I can place the text cursor at different location, and look what happened when I type. What happened there is that wherever the text cursor is, text will be placed right inside. So the mouse cursor controls the text cursor. As I mentioned before, or as you can see in the PDF material, there are 5 types of text cursor. In this edition of Microsoft Word, you can see that it is a vertical line, and this line is blinking, or it is flashing. Now let's see another location where the text cursor can have a different appearance. Let's check Windows command prompt. What do you notice there? What kind of text cursor is that? That is definitely an underscore, and the underscore is blinking. So you can see that, as you can in this case, you will not be able to use the mouse to change the location of the text cursor. This is a very special program, command prompt, which gives commands directly into the computer. So I'm moving the the mouse cursor, and the mouse cursor will change to different shapes, indicating different things that can be done. So you can see here that the mouse cursor has changed to a bar with some lines at the side. This indicates to you that you can actually do some highlighting of words. Remember, I talk about selection sensitive areas. So when the mouse detects text that can be edited, you can say that is a selection sensitive area because there is text. Then the mouse cursor will change to a different appearance. So right now it is just a bar. Look what happens when I get closer to the word. It becomes, I'll just try to get it here for you. Well, it will become a bar with lines. Good. And the next thing I want to show you guys that is that the different shapes that the mouse cursor can take. So I just would explain to you that the mouse cursor affects the location, or it can change the location of the text cursor. So you can enter text, whether numbers or symbols, at different location. So let's look at some of the different shapes or different aspects or types of mouse cursors. So you notice here, this shape of the mouse cursor tells us that you can move the object. I can move it to different location that you can see here. I put it back where it was. This is to change the object diagonally, horizontally, and vertically. Okay, so these are all different shapes or different types of the mouse cursor. I hope you guys do not get mixed up with mouse cursor and text cursor. So once again, let's go back to that location and let's read together. Mouse cursor is affected by the mouse movement. The text cursor affected by input from the keyboard. Okay, so I would have given you an example there.